Everybody, this is Julie. Look at my hair. I've been in a hat all day. Anyway, I made dinner, so now we're going to make a dessert. We're going to make it sugar-free. Hang on, I'm going to turn y'all around and we'll see what we need. Okay, we're going to need blueberries. We're going to need vanilla. We're going to need sucralose sweetener, or you can use stevia. You can use any kind of sweetener that you want. You can even use regular sugar. We got white baking morsels, butter, cream cheese, 4 eggs, sour cream, and graham crackers. Yes, we're doing white baking morsels. They have 10 grams of sugar per 1 tablespoon, and we're using 1 cup, so we're good.
You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I would've dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made, it all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them, yeah, we sure did write it out. 'Cause we have each other, that's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Yeah. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We are free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. Yeah. We still dream of what we could be. Could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me.
Well, I lost my ending footage here, but anyway, I hope y'all like this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and it was really good, and I don't like blueberries. So anyway, y'all have a great day. See you, bye.